Guys, welcome back to my channel. Into this video I'm going to show you how to remove background from image using CorelDraw. I'm going to show you how to remove background from image using CorelDraw. Okay, if you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics and I do a lot of CorelDraw tutorial and other programs as well. Do well to subscribe by clicking on the red button below and turn on the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future upload. Without any further ado, this is the picture we are going to use. I believe some of you know who this guy is. This is Davido, right? A popular musician. I know he's not aware of what I'm doing here, so this is for educational purpose, please. And so let's get to it. There are various ways you can remove background from picture using CorelDraw. All right, it's either you use your shape tool, this is your shape tool. Either you use your shape tools, or you can equally use your freehand tools, your pen tools, or whatever tools that you want to use from here. You can use to remove your background. Okay, but in today's video I'm going to be using shape tools to remove the background. Okay, and I will advise that you always use Photoshop to remove background from your picture. Okay, and I've done a video on how to use Photoshop to remove background. So if you haven't seen the video, kindly go to my channel and watch that video. I titled it how to remove background from photo using Photoshop. Okay, so let's quickly dive into this. So for you to be able to do this, all you need to do once you have your picture like this, so you have to click on this shape tools. As soon as you click on this shape tools, the lines there will change. Okay, so the picture will be active. Okay, so you have this knot over here and here and here. All right, so the next thing you are going to do, you are going to double click on this place. Just double click somewhere here. Okay, and drag it all the way down to the top. Let me zoom in. Okay, and double click and drag it all the way down somewhere here. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to place another knot somewhere here. Okay, you can place it anywhere, somewhere here, around here. Let me place another knot here and drag it all the way to this place. Okay, then I'm going to place another knot here. All right, just click. You are not double clicking this time around. You just click and then you right click on it, so you see convert to curve. You see this to curve, so you have to convert that place to curve. So you now see something like this. All right, so you have to click here and drag it out. But the beautiful thing about this particular shape tool is that if you don't get this place right, so you can always use this arrow here. You can see there is another arrow here, and then we have another arrow here, so you can use this arrow to be able to drag it out. Okay, drag it to proper place, so that you'll be able to have the proper shape of that cap. All right, so you can leave it like this. So this place, you are going to just add a knot here and drag it all the way somewhere here, and then add a knot here and convert this place to curve. Then you drag it out. Okay, something like this. All right, so just go ahead and do it that way. So just add a knot, bring it down, convert this place to curve by right clicking on it. Either you right click or you click here. Either you click here or you right click on it and you convert it to curve. Then you come back again and drag it out. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult, but yeah, that's how you remove background from CorelDraw, guys. That's why it's advisable for you to use Photoshop, like I said, because it has more advanced features for you to be able to do this quickly. So for the purpose of us, those of us that is using only skill in, let me see, CorelDraw, so you can just go about doing your stuff. It doesn't really matter. Just go and do your thing. Okay, it's still okay. It's still okay. So you just use this arrow to get the shape of that ear. Okay, you can see that the ear is still in, so you just have to drag it out. Use this one to drag it. Okay, something like this. I think that is the shape of this ear. So just like that, guys, just like that. So you continue doing it, you drag it out, bring it down. So you're going to give me a few minutes. Let me quickly grab this and do this quickly. So I'm going to drag it all the way here, then you click here and convert to curve. What I'm doing right there is to convert to curve. Either you right click, you see a knot, right click on it, so you see convert to curve. Use this arrow to drag it to the proper place to get the shape of the curve. Alright, so we are going to do the same thing here, just like that, guys. You will convert to curve, drag this place out, use the arrow to take it back, position it very well. Okay, so that's how you remove the background, guys. So you continue doing your stuff. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what we are doing. All right, okay, just drag it out, look it out. So you just drag this one a little bit, drag this out. Okay, so you can just add another knot here. All you need to do is keep adding the knot and then convert to curve. You drag it out, you have something like that. All right, use this arrow to arrange it. For the ear, all you need to do, attach a knot, drag it somewhere here, convert to curve, drag it out properly to get the shape of the ear. Alright, so I think that's it. So we are going to continue with that. Okay, continue doing that until we get the proper shape, guys. So that's what graphic designer go through, guys. Trust me, it's not easy, but yeah, it's what we do for a living. So just have to follow it carefully. It's for the sake of this tutorial, that's why I'm rushing anyways. So if I have to do it as a job, I'm pretty much not going to use this anyway, so I will use Photoshop to get rid of the background, guys. But just showing you how you can do this with CorelDraw, because everything is possible. Okay, CorelDraw, guys. So just go around, just do your stuff, take your time and do it the way you want to do it. So I'm going to rush this other side, guys. So all you need to do, just add a knot, drag it out, have a shape, add a knot, drag it out, have a shape, add a knot, back to curve, drag it out. So we are getting there, guys. So all you need to do here, you add a knot somewhere here, add a knot, drag it in. We're gonna cut the end off, but it's not there, so just drag it in all the way somewhere here, drag this one down, attach a knot, okay, and get the shape out. Use this arrow to arrange it properly. Just continue the process, guys. We are learning, so you just have to take your time and continue with the process. It takes time, but yeah, at the end you are going to love it. You won't just like it, you are going to love it. Yeah, guys, so add a knot, drag it out, So guys, this is the end result. Okay, so let me bring that picture back here. So this is before, this is before, this is before, and this is after. So we were able to remove the background. So now if you want to apply your own background to this picture, so you can just maybe draw a rectangle, then give it your own color. I can apply, let's say, double color to this. So all I need to do is to add the color here, maybe pink, I don't know, maybe purple or pink, somewhere there. And then back here I can choose to apply this. Yeah, okay. Here you can choose whichever color you want. Okay. So this is it, guys. This is the end result, guys. So we were able to remove the background, and from this to this, guys. So this is how you can remove background from your picture using CorelDraw. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.